Welcome back to the third episode of You Asked For It. In today's episode, we will be making a kite. Thank you for your suggestion. I'm going to be using some chopsticks and paper. You don't need to use chopsticks. You can find whatever you find in your house. I'm now going to be making a triangle for the top triangle in my kite. I'm tracing it according to the chopstick. I'm now going to be cutting it out. It doesn't need to be perfect. You can always trim it up in the end. You also don't need to use paper. You can use whatever material you have at your house that will work for a kite. Personally, you don't want too much air to get through. Now I'm going to be tracing out my blue triangle. I'm going to line these up and make some dots where I need to cut. For this triangle, I'm going to be using my paper cutter. So first I'm going to be cutting a really sloppy copy, and then I'll be trimming it up in the paper cutter. This triangle should be longer and more pointy. This will be the bottom of the triangle. Now that our triangles look nice and sharp, we are going to line it up with our pink triangle. We are then going to be using some clear tape to connect the two sides. Make sure the tape goes just over it, just a little bit. In the tape, you're going to want to create a slit right down the middle, so you can fold the little tabs over to make sure you have a very beautiful point on either side. I'm also going to be taping the back for maximum stability. Now I'm going to be hot gluing my chopstick to the kite. How I'm going to be doing this, I'm going to put a little bit of glue onto the paper. I'm then going to be lifting up my chopstick just a little bit and bending my paper under it. Now I'm going to be measuring how much I need to take off my next chopstick, which should be shorter than the first. I'm going to put some glue on my chopstick, glue it to the paper. This time we're going to bow the paper the opposite way. There should now be a very deep point under the chopstick. The next step is to take some cord. This is the cord you're going to be using to hold the kite while it's in the air. You're going to want to get a lot of this because your kite will need to go high up in the sky. You can also make your kite many different sizes depending on what you want to do. I just wanted a small little one, but you can make them very big or not so big depending on your preference. I'm going to be tying this cord just to the cross in the middle of the kite. You want to tie it to the cross in the middle and not the bottom because this is the most stable point of the entire kite. I then made this little cardboard bit to use as a handle. I wrapped the cord around it, and there you go. I then added some gold string to the end. Here it is flying. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. If you have any ideas for future videos or episode 4, my email is in the description. Follow my TikTok, also in the description. Thank you.